Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Raul here with Raul's Barbecue. Today, we're cooking up a tomahawk steak up on the rubber kettle. Stay tuned.
And today we're using Kingsford Professional Briquettes. They're available everywhere and it's an all-around good charcoal. Here we're using the Su-V Gun from GrillBlazer. It's a great torch, I recommend it. I've been using it for about a year now. If you guys want to check it out, link is in the description below. For the rub, we're using Fogo's The Rub. We're using Kosmos Brisket Mop as a binder. Not only is it going to help our seasoning stick, but it's going to give additional flavor to the tomahawk.
Should I put the lid on? Like that. It's right on this fire. Damn. Tomahawk has a nice look to it. Direct side and let it finish up.
We're going to let it rest for a couple of minutes and we're going to get into the taste test.
Get into my belly. You guys are just watching me eat now.